Go get it. Go get your nut.
What a grape.
Oh, Einstein, no. You don't eat grapes in here either.
Look at the squirrels.
Well, we'll look at the squirrels, but no grapes or cookies. We got a nut. Go get a nut.
What a grape. Good. Here. Want this one? Good.
I know it's good. You've got one on the
What a
kitchen.
grape.
You got one in the
I
kitchen.
get you a grape.
You have a grape. You haven't eaten
What
it
a
yet.
grape.
Einstein, I don't want to argue about the grape. I don't want to argue about the grape. You eat your nut.
Hold on. Some water. Here you go. Want to eat? Get down. Bob's away. Come on. Here you go. Right this way.
Go get your nut. Go slide. I'm going to give you one more minute to get your nut.
Want this one? Want a grape?
We talked about the grape, honey.
Look at the squirrel.
We love the squirrels. You don't want your nut? You're so silly. It's a nut or nothing.
Dancing.
Dancing.
We're walking. Dancing.
You dancing.
We're walking. Want a grape? It's good. Want a grape? Be sweet. Come here. Up. Up. Come here. Up. Want a grape? I'll get you a grape. Subscribe to me.
Yeah.